Hello, welcome back. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef, and this is Alkaline TV. Today we're making Spelt Milano Cookies, modeled after the Pepperidge Farm cookies you probably know so well. We're going to use spelt flour, and now I get this in big 25-pound bags, and a link to that is in the description. 2 cups of spelt flour, and then 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and my mouth is already watering in anticipation. These are really good, and now we used coconut oil for this, but it would be better to use avocado oil or grapeseed oil. However, I could go into a lot of detail, a rant about the quality of oil in another video. And we added a teaspoon of vanilla and then a ½ cup of agave. And you can use light or dark agave. Make sure you get all of it out of the measuring cup. Don't want to waste any. And then you're just going to mix it well until everything's combined. And this should make a fluffy dough, as you can see. Very, very easy. And now to make the cookies, you just flatten them out. You can do this with a spoon, or you can do it by hand with gloves on. It's up to you. So you're just gonna make a flat cookie, and you can put some little decorations on top if you'd like, optional. And we made this a second time and made them a little bit more oval so that they look more like the Milanos. And this is the great filling that goes in the middle, and it's so good. It's very similar to what we put on top of the Snickers ice cream bars, Alkaline Vegan Snickers ice cream bars, of course. And that is coconut sugar. You can also use date sugar, and this is date syrup. So you're just going to mix an equal amount of the date syrup with either date sugar or coconut sugar and coconut oil. And this is going to make a thick, creamy, chocolatey, caramely, delicious delicious topping. You can use this for frosting. You could use this as a filling. You could probably just put it on toast, and that's what it's going to look like. These are just baked for 9 minutes, and then when they cool, you just put the layer filling in the middle, and that's it. It's so easy. If you have any questions, comment below, and this is what they will look like. So thank you so much for watching. This was a super easy recipe, but we have a lot more recipes on the channel if you haven't checked out the Alkaline Vegan Cooking Series that I have. And also, if you're really serious about going alkaline, so to speak, I have a 12-week transformation program if you're looking to completely transform your health and your life. And that's not for everyone. I don't take everyone as a client. I'm very particular because I guarantee 100% all of your results. So if you want to go deep down the rabbit hole, definitely check out the description. There are lots of resources there for you, and you can join the 12-week transformation program if you're really interested. But we have a lot more recipes in the works, so thank you for tuning in. Please like the video, it helps with YouTube algorithm. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.